Last but not least, the best space-saving item for the balcony that maximizes its use. 10th place. I installed an invisible clothes rack on the window, which comes with 2 hooks for towels and socks. It's a true clothes rack that allows you to air dry clothes however you like. And when you're not using it, you can fold it back up and it won't take up any space. Number 9. I discovered this stainless steel pot stand at my neighbor's house before. I used to put hot pots directly on the countertop, which not only risked damaging the surface, but also made cleaning difficult. Number 8. If you have a balcony at home, you must use this balcony leak-proof device. It's easy to install with a snap-on design, and it provides a place to put plants and flowers while preventing accidents. You don't have to worry about things falling off anymore. 7th place. Try this specialized sheet air drying item, which keeps your sheets and covers wrinkle-free and dries them quickly. It's made of thick stainless steel material and is space-saving. You don't have to worry about your sheets being blown away by the wind anymore. Number 6. I also discovered this flip-top cup storage box at my neighbor's house. This storage box has a hollow design, good ventilation, and a large capacity. The flip-top lid can prevent dust and insects, and there is a drain tray at the bottom to prevent water accumulation. Number 5. It's not hygienic to air dry pillows on the ground at home. Just hang it on the clothes hanger and put the pillow in the net bag. The hollow design is breathable, and it easily solves your problem. It's so practical and easy to use. 4th place. I just found out that there's still this kind of clothes rack with a snap-on design. You can air dry clothes even without a balcony and use it for travel. It's sturdy and practical, and the price is also very cheap. 3rd place. Look at this shoe rack we're using, which can hold 8 pairs of shoes on one layer. You can air dry any kind of shoes. Even on a sunny day on the balcony, it's really practical. 2nd place. Install this small item next to the washing machine and hang the used clothes hangers neatly on top. You can also store windproof jackets on top. 1st place. If you wear socks at home, you must have this clothes hanger. It can be installed on the balcony of the bathroom to air dry socks and shoes. When not in use, it can be stored away without taking up space. Now let's find out how to get the product in the video. There are 3 different ways to get the product. The first method is to buy from one of the stores that sell tools and household appliances, scattered around or near us. The second method, Facebook pages for selling home appliances. The third method, through websites that sell home appliances and ship them to different countries of the world. The following are the most important of these websites: Amazon and eBay and Walmart and Bestbuy, also Target and Lowe's. I will leave you the electronic addresses of these sites in the description of this video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the alerts button so that you receive notification or alert of each new video. Also, do not forget to like the video.